In multiplying fractions, mapa-similar, dissimilar fractions, iisa lang yung rules or steps na sinusunod. Number 1, multiply the numerator. Number 2, multiply the denominator. And 3, express your answer into lowest term. In short, we need to simplify. So, let us give an example. Ayan, so we have here 3/5 times 5, 6. So, first step, we need to multiply the numerator. 3 times 5, we have 15. Next, step 2, multiply the denominator. 5 times 6, we have 30. So, we have 15 over 30. Step 3, simplify. So, hahanapin natin guys yung number o yung particular number na pwedeng ma-divide sa 15 and 30. Try natin guys yung pinakamababang number. So, since 15 and 30, 15 ang pinakamababa. So, i-divide natin sila both side by 15. Ayan. So, 15 divided by 15, we have 1 over. Next, 30 divided by 15, we have 2. So, 1/2 is the final answer. Okay? Next, we have here 1/3 times 2/3. So, step 1, multiply the numerator. 1 times 2, we have 2 over. Step 2, multiply the denominator. 3 times 3, we have 9. Step 3, simplify. So, since walang particular number na pwedeng ma-divide sa 2 and 9, 2 and 9 or 2 over 9 is the final answer. So, we have here 2/5 times 3/4. So, step 1, we need to multiply the numerator. 2 times 3, we have 6 over. Multiply the denominator. 5 times 4, we have 20. So, since 6 and 20 are even numbers, pwede natin siya ma-divide also sa even numbers. So, try natin sa 6. 6 divided by 6, we have 1. 20 divided by 6 cannot be kasi may remainder. Try natin sa 4. Sa 6, cannot be kasi may remainder. Sa 20, pwede kasi may 5. Mali. So, mali pa rin. So, sa 3 naman, pwede siya sa 6 pero hindi pwede sa 20. Try natin sa 2. Okay. So, 6 divided by 2, we have 3 over. 20 divided by 2, we have 10. So, 3 over 10. This is the final answer.